Welcome to Code with Patrick. Today I'm just going to be showing you how you can get rid of your action bar. And the action bar is pretty much the action bar is pretty much the one you see up here. This four corner stuff you see up here where you have the name hello world, and here you can have different buttons or different stuff. This is where you can have your menu, contest menu up here where you can perform different actions, and that's why we call it action bar. So right now I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this, because sometimes when you're developing an app, you really don't need this, so you want to really get rid of it. So for you to do that, you have to go to the rest folder, you go to value, from value you go to themes, and from themes you want to double click on the themes, and right here at the top go here, remove this dark action bar, and you want to click that no action bar. That's pretty much it, and that's it. Let's run the program and see if we still have if we're still going to be having this right here or not. So by the time you run this program, what you'll be seeing right now, you're not going to be seeing this anymore. So let's run it and see what we have. Yes, this is what we have right here, and you can see we don't have the title bar up here anymore. So that's how you change your action toolbar. Okay, so that will be it for this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription button below, and remember to click the notification button so that whenever I upload new videos you can actually get the videos. And that'll be all for now. Bye for now.